What happens if your asylum case gets denied? Can you appeal? Can you do anything else to keep fighting your asylum case? Look, if your case is with USCIS, right, you have what's called an affirmative asylum case at the asylum office, and you get a negative decision where they say you're not eligible for asylum. What happens next? They look at the moment that they're making that negative decision at what your immigration status is at that very moment. And if you do have legal status, like you have TPS or you have student status or your tourist status is still valid, then nothing else. Well, they give you a notice of intent to deny and say, we plan to deny you for the following reasons. You have 16 days to respond in writing and try to change our minds. If you don't change their minds, you get what's called a final denial. And it's final. Like the name says, you can't appeal it, but you don't get put in deportation proceedings. You just stay with whatever your other status is until it expires. However, if at the time of the negative decision from USCIS, you do not have legal immigration status, then you get put in deportation proceedings. Your case is sent to immigration court, where it's kind of like an appeal because you do have a chance there to explain your case again to the judge, and the judge decides whether you get asylum. So it's bad to be in deportation proceedings because you're at risk of possibly getting a deportation order, but you do get a second chance to try to win your case.